Hello everyone,
èyí tí
welcome
mo
back
tún
to
mú wá lọ́tẹ̀ yìí tún
all
lágbára
our
o,
beautiful
ó lékè
subscribers. We say
nkà,
thank you
ó
so much.
gbègédé. Ẹ wá
And
wo
if you're
nǹkan
new
tí
here, we are
Aunty
asking you
Adunni sọ
find us.
nípa Daddy Freeze. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni nípa Daddy Freeze. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi wo fídíò yìí, kẹ́ máa bá mi like, kẹ́ máa
and
share,
share
kẹ́ dẹ̀
our
máa comment.
videos
Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ tí
and
subscribe, ẹ jọ̀ọ́
subscribe to our
ẹ bá mi tẹ
channel.
subscribe button
And
yẹn, kò
don't
ná yín ní
forget
owó
to hit
kankan,
on
kò
the
ná yín ní extra
notification bell
data.
so you will
Ẹ
be
ṣé
notified
púpọ̀.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Ideola, good evening. Ekroleo. G. Belly, good evening. Omo Labake, good evening. Omo Labage. Buki Babs, thank you very much. Alumbere, how are you? Florence, I'm fine. Thank you very much for asking. Timei, Uche, Okeke, how are you? Muyo. Ekale, everybody. Good evening, every one of you. Carola Day, good evening. Eba and Daddy Freeze. Eba and tag me. I don't know how they tag on YouTube. Let me share this video on Facebook. Eba and tag Daddy Freeze. Go boy be. Daddy Freeze, boy be. Boy be. You did something. Instead of you to correct it with information and update people, you kept quiet. Let it be 4 days. At it be 4 days. You went away after updating that what is she called? That she's not lying. Now there are so many updates we have been doing. Lati Gbaye. Are you telling us you have not seen it? Daddy Freeze the boy be. You are not doing a good job, boy be. Àgbàlagbà ń wà lọ́jà kórí ọmọ tuntun wọn náà sọ. Òkúnkún gbọ́, you understand Yoruba very well. Your Yoruba is even sweeter than my own Yoruba. Your Yoruba is very, very sweet when I listen to you talking. There was a day I was listening, you were talking serious conk Yoruba language. I said, boy Yoruba gan. Àwọn Ìbàdàn àwọn Yoruba Ọ̀yọ́ state ló ń sọ lẹ́nu Yoruba gidi. Boy be, help me to call him to boy be. Let me to call him to boy be. Àbúrò ló jẹ́ sí mi, issue boy be. One would expect by now that you should have updated what is going on. Ọmọ Ìbàdàn ni, okay. Kó busy tó bá yarí nǹkan tí mò ń ṣe, kó boy be. Issue boy be. Daddy Freeze the boy be. Issue boy be when it's true. You should come and watch what I'm saying. This video is for him. Daddy Freeze, good evening if you get to see this video. Guys, good evening every one of you. Eka boy Crowley. Ṣàlàáfíà la wà. It's been a while. So it's gonna be like this for now, for some time. This is how I have to do my shows for some few days or so. So just accept me as I am. Now, the story of Daddy Freeze, Blessing CEO, has been trending like we all know. And the first time I will talk about this, I said I am not convinced that Blessing has cancer stage 4. I said maybe stage 1 or stage 2. I said not even stage 3. I said there are so many reasons why she cannot be trusted. And I said from everything that I've seen and the little I know, sorry, that I have to just start immediately. That from the little that I know of her, she has drained herself financially because of the this lady's issue. I mean IVD. The case of IVD has drained her financially. Or even at that, there are ways she could have adjusted herself and without doing what she did, which was she came online and Daddy Blessing CEO told Nigerian community that she has stage 4 cancer with several videos that I'm not ready to start putting out. I don't have the time. Sorry guys, many of you have seen the videos where she came out calling oncologist, neurologist, she's not even sure of what is going on with her. She keep using the wrong terms. You cannot be at stage 4. Now you go know everything about that sickness pass. Anything where they do you. You get some sickness, maybe say if you are going through it, if you go hospital, by the time you are returning back, now every time concerning that sickness, you go don't understand. every time concerning that sickness. When somebody else come and talk about it, you go educate them. Exactly like this cancer. Go and see people who have gone through it that did not even get to stage 4. That were probably stage 1, stage 2. When they educate you about it, you will know, say yes, then go through it without even seeing it on them. In the cancer, don't be something where somebody go through. You don't go remember everything about it. The same, she knows what she was doing. She planned it well, so that when people come, we then catch them. She go tell us, say, she was confused, like Guamishu, Harrison. But on this one, myself knows, say, I know they hold people like that. I hold Blessing. I hold her breast well. So whether or not she go open fake account, begin abuse me on my page, I block the person come out. I say, you, on this case, I stand. He say, you, this woman, maybe you get your own children. Leave this lady. I mean, is it your money that she's collecting? I say, no, we don't want this in our society. Politicians, they steal from us. We go still one, they steal from among ourselves. This is not nice now. If she do and she go like that, somebody else will come and do the same thing. The funniest thing is that this is not even a sickness to even joke about. There are victims, there are families of victims that today they are going through PTSD for taking care of their loved ones. The trauma has not left them. How their loved ones ended. How they saw their loved ones sliding away and they couldn't do anything. When I say sliding away, they see them become so helpless to the extent that they may not even be able to lift a finger to do anything. Somebody that used to be very strong, you will see them become very weak, like a baby. Now that kind of thing, she can't take joke. I say, no. I say, you can as well use any other thing, but this one where you use, no. This is a no. So, to cut a long story short, we begin dig. I did follow back to back. And I've updated you. The last update was that she was casted. But by then, it was still a 50-50 thing. Could it be real? Could it not be real? But the casting, I was convinced that the casting was real. You know, but she has not come out to speak. Yesterday, I go check her page. I saw that she started removing some of the videos. And Blessing CEO was so smart. You know what she did? She did not remove the videos in the sequence that she posted it. She was removing in between. So you will not even notice that she removed some of the videos. When I saw it, I updated. I said she has started deleting videos. Oh, I am very sure Blessing did my page. After that one, she stopped. She no delete anything again. Myself, I know, say, I behave like winch for this matter. So, this afternoon, couple of hours ago, I say, I have not seen updates. Lion Jola, how are you? I said, I have not seen updates concerning this case. Now I go Instagram. I go to QT Jules page. Now I see, say, QT Jules don't update to say, no, not even QT Jules. In the morning, very early in the morning, I saw a video of a guy. Let me see if I have the video of the guy. If I have no, I've not deleted. Where is this guy's video? Okay. I am coming. Oh, okay, here it is. In fact, the video now too. So last night, early in the morning, I saw this video of this guy. The guy is on Instagram. When I do waka waka about the story, I want to know who get updates. Because this is not something to make mockery of. Go and look at Isaac Fayoshe as he cried like baby yesterday. He said he got to Australia. He has a wife in Australia. He said the wife is down with cancer, that she cannot even lift her finger to do anything. I don't know the stage that the woman is, but you would know. You will know original when you see. But somebody just come to social media. Nigerians, some of us, we went to school, but school no pass through us. Somebody just woke up and say, I get cancer stage 4. And all of you believe. You didn't ask question. A lot of people started contributing. Some people, so she carry clipper right in the presence of social media, begin barb her hair, and you say her hair is falling off. Is that how her hair fall off? Even the story did not tally. You know, the story did not tally. And we began to look at the loophole. Some of you begin abuse, some of you begin insult. That is how they will keep scamming people. And these are people that are giving from the genuineness of heart. And we will have people that are genuine victims, they will deprive them. How much is stage 4 cancer? How much you want to spend? Stage 2 cancer, how much the kind of blessing? See, the way she's claiming to be a millionaire wants to spend that she has to come to the public. You tell story and the next thing is to put your account number down. Daddy Freeze, you came out and people came to meet Daddy Freeze, telling Daddy Freeze that this story, they don't believe. Daddy Freeze, he said, according to his caption on his YouTube, make her read the caption as she put them. Blessing CEO is not lying. No one lies about cancer. He was talking as if he was 100% sure. So when I listen to that is broadcast on that day, 3 hours, he kept insisting. People were even trying to educate Daddy Freeze. Daddy Freeze, this thing is not like this. Daddy Freeze saying so. He's saying that they don't send so it's not as if you even saw Blessing CEO to talk to. Now somebody sent the result. This same Daddy Freeze that said he's very educated. They sent you results. You saw the document of the results. That result does not make sense because you go and look at the fonts they use in writing diagnosis. Go and look at the font and look at the font they use in printing his name. I mean her name. The thing is not even straight. So many loopholes. People call, then say the hospital, the number wait there for the kidney way she give them. Nah, aboki they carry line. But that particular document, medical document says the person that has that thing actually have cancer. So where is the loophole? What is going on with that document? And they keep insisting that she has cancer. I say, with all the loopholes in that story. I said, okay, we are watching. Let me put the documents here. So this is the fake document she presented. Look at the fonts. Just look at the font, oh. Just look at it. The way it is the names were even written. You can see, look at where they put blessing. Other name, blessing, falling down. Below. Mumbo. Lab number, then put them there. Look at the phone number. You will see it's not the same font like the other address. Different fonts. I'm coming, oh. Those are the loopholes in the documents that if you take your time, you can screenshot and check it later by yourself to see. You can see that you will know. Look at the age, 36 years, sex, female. Look at the way they write it. This is not a proper medical document. It was a document that was altered. The location, people say no hospital like that in Enugu. Now that time, Daddy Freeze come out say she's not lying. Daddy Freeze, why do you like doing damage control for fraudulent people? That is my question. And that is where I have problem with this guy. You are one of the people that should be a role model to the young ones, coming from where you started from. You started so good, so well. And now today you are meddling. Does it mean that if they give you a chance, you self go do fraud, is a question. Does it mean if you are given a chance, you will do fraud? Abba. And you kept insisting that is original, is original, is original. I mean, you kept insisting she has cancer, she's not lying. You didn't even look at the document. Okay, wait now. She print the hospital documents. Hospital document is a very sensitive document. They don't just print it anyhow. Except that person go to a mushroom hospital. Under the ground hospital. And for such case, CEO, let's assume she has it truly. She will not go to such hospital. Then secondly, somebody that can spend 10 million for BBA. Now she go sick, can't go to one hospital where they don't know what then they do. Let's think about it. Somebody that is so vast about the BBL, she was educating the public perfectly. Like she was a lecturer when she was talking. Now she can't become, she said she gets something where they worry at stage 4. She couldn't say anything about it. Anything, most of the things she was saying does not tally, does not relate to what she said was going on with her. And Daddy Freeze say she has cancer. She's not lying. And despite the updates, if Daddy Freeze wants to be truthful, if he is an honest person, as things are as things are somebody borrow me the English. Why English they always run come out for mind when you want to talk? Despite the updating on this case, he refused to even update on his own end. I was expecting him to update on his own end and say this is the latest update, this is the latest update, but we are still waiting, unfolding. We are still waiting for Blessing CEO to come out and speak his our own side of the story, but this is the latest we heard about the story. Daddy Freeze no say nothing. He just keep quiet. As Daddy Freeze no say everything where they show go on social media. Now, last night, I see this video. Just watch this video.
If this thing like your chat, then you know where this chat is coming from. If not this thing like your chat, then know where this chat is coming from. No me go come online, come to drag you. Okay? But you get mind. Even shave your hair to make everything look authentic. If this is your chat, truly, then you know where it's coming from. On ring light, start telling Nigerians the truth. Because if you don't, then I go talk. Okay? See ya. Now your chat with this. If this is your chat, on your ring light, begin to confess. If not, I go on my own.
So this guy, they said I found his page. His name is Mike Chidi. That conversation, he said, this chat, he said, make Blessing CEO come out and confess about that chat. That was the chat that exposed Blessing CEO. Not only that, I have spoken to the family of where Blessing CEO got the document, original documents from. It's just because I don't have the strength. Let me see. Maybe tomorrow, I will bring those people, the family, to come and speak. This is the original documents. My question is, should Daddy Freeze know here? Look at the original documents. Shetiri, can you see the original documents? See the original documents. Shetiri. That's the original documents. So, Blessing CEO collected that document. The family will still come and speak, but let me just brief you. Because as it is, as I'm talking now, Blessing is in serious soup. As at 2 hours ago, she went to the family with IVD and a pastor to go and beg them. He went there. Aproko is here any? Aproko, how are you? Okay. As I'm talking now, few hours ago, she was in Asaba. If you notice that one of the comments that I cut out to put on the show the last time, somebody mentioned that hospital is not in Enugu, but Asaba. So apparently, there's an hospital with that name, but that hospital is in, okay, is in Asaba. The question we are not asking, that Daddy Freeze should ask Blessing and bring Blessing out, since he's the one saying Blessing CEO, is putting his feet down, say, truly she has cancer. Now, the question is, how can you have such illness and you will leave Lagos to go and be taking treatment in Asaba or Enugu? How are you, my sister, Kemi? And you have to, Kemi Ajala, you have to go to Enugu for treatment. This afternoon, she was at the family's place to go and beg them. With IVD. Daddy Freeze will never say anything about it again. Then shame on him. Tí ó bá sọ̀rọ̀. He should. He should. After all, he only spoke for her. He can still talk about it. At least for his Cheko, he doesn't care about his reputation. She was there in Asaba today with IVD and a pastor to go and beg the family. And the family said no. And if the family are watching me, please stand on your ground to make Blessing CEO a scapegoat for as many that want to do this kind of a thing. We want a good society. We are blaming politicians and all of the rest. Meanwhile, what some of us do is worse than what politicians are doing. Is worst. You're welcome, Jere AY. Vivian V, welcome. The money she has collected, because she has used those people. People contributed. People contributed. People managing life. They contributed. Look at the original documents. Look at the fake. Apparently, it's somebody else truly that has cancer. So let me tell you what that Blessing CEO did. This is the sister of the family will come and talk. In fact, the brother of the lady has posted in the public too and said, Naila, you cannot do this to their family. That do you know what they passed through? The lady is alive. She's okay. I learned she's getting better. But truly, the lady has cancer. That was why everybody was able to read and translate, interpret that medical diagnosis of what it was. Because it is what it is. But it was not, that document is not meant for Blessing CEO. And you claim the document, put your name and everything. So let me just brief you. Tomorrow, I will tell the lady tomorrow, let me call her and let her know I'm doing the show. Then tomorrow she can join me. She will come and tell you what happened. And what they plan to do. Line is no. Oh, good. What's in ring? How wicked can somebody be? Okay, she's not picking. It's late in Nigeria. It's about, I think, almost 11. So let me just brief you what she did. They said the lady that has the medical record actually has cancer. But they didn't mention the stage to me. I didn't ask for the stage. So she's been going for treatment. They said the lady is a stylist to most of these celebrities. She makes hair for them and makeup. So Blessing CEO got to know the lady through that. Then they say one day, Blessing CEO just called the lady and started crying. Then the lady said, why is she crying? Now Blessing CEO tell the lady, say, she gets cancer. The lady say, cancer? What stage? Blessing CEO can't tell the lady, say, nah, stage 4. The lady say, stage 4 as well. It can't be stage 4. When did you discover? When did they tell you and all of that? Just like the story she put out for us, she told the lady that. The lady now said, no, it can't be like that since it's what I'm going through. I've gone through chemotherapy. All my hair fell off. That was where Blessing CEO. When that lady was now explaining how the thing went, that was where Blessing CEO got the idea of the hair falling off. And she came out to show us where she was barbing her hair. Meanwhile, it was chemotherapy. It was chemo that made that lady to start losing her hair. The sister said that I should come and see how the hair was just falling off on its own. Now it made Gbajue. IVD don't teach and work. Because you see the IVD from one set. When they tell me it's IVD, they sell car. I look IVD. I say how old be this pikin wey dey sell car, where he see money from, wetin he know? Which school he go? Where he take get him money? Where they sell car? I've never believed IVD has a legit job. But of course, it's none of my business. If they for you go catch him, then catch him be that. So that when that lady now told Blessing CEO, say, are you sure? Maybe you should go and repeat your test. She said, she has done the test, blah, 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 blah. She now said, can the lady send her medical record to her so that she can compare? Now the ladies, according to what I was told, now the ladies send the documents to IVD to Blessing CEO. Now Blessing CEO alter the documents, begin send them to bloggers. Say she's sick. Omoli pumping now so. The lady sent it. Lady know mo kofi document ohun se nkankan. The lady no even know say use a document for anything. Until 3 days ago, the lady no know. When the thing done they go viral. If to say some of us just talk about the thing, waka go. Na so the Blessing CEO for carry go. Na so she for carry go. But some of us refuse to keep quiet on that case because we shall trust our instincts. Say, we are, even though we are not a PhD holder, we are not master's holder. The little way we read, the little way we count book now, way. The little way we read, where we count, we can still check on some things. Then secondly, most of us, we don't work in this field little by, no matter how little. We work with cancer patients now. Now, like, so this thing they be, we begin question. And somebody like me, I say, Blessing CEO, I say, I hold your breast until I find out truth about this thing where you say they do. I say, I don't go rest. People came to my page. He said, you this woman, kinika. If now you're picking, when you picking, tell me on buy. Somebody even call me say, we have been wish. He said, I been wish. Yeah. Queen, I think she's using substance. I think she is. I think. She has wasted money when she was making good money on social media. And I don't want to believe that the house she has been showing is her house. People say, you this woman, you're so insensitive. You this woman, you don't even have empathy. And you're talking about humanity. You're always preaching. I say, it's because I'm preaching humanity that I'm talking about this. That blessing should be sensitive to people's pain. This is not something to joke about. Or used to do clouds. Or used to raise funds. I say no. Me down. I was posting back to back, updating back to back. Monitoring her. What sort of wickedness is this one? She don't take all the money where she's supposed to invest. She don't take and do big girls. Small girl with big God. Reflect with Shola, sister Mishala Afia, and I'm fine. How about you? She was showing wig, plenty wig.